Let's make sea salt dark chocolate cashew clusters with just 3 ingredients. Start by adding 226 grams of mini dark chocolate chips to a heat-proof bowl. If you're tempering the chocolate, remove about 20% and set that aside. Melt the chocolate using a double boiler until it reaches 115 degrees on a chocolate thermometer. Remove it from the heat and then add in the additional 20% of chocolate chips and stir to combine completely. Allow the chocolate to come down to 91 degrees, then add in 340 grams of roasted and salted cashews and stir to combine that completely. Tempering the chocolate is completely optional. If you don't want to do that, just melt all the chocolate together in a heat-proof bowl. You can do this using a double boiler, or you can do 30-second intervals in the microwave, making sure to stir between each one to prevent from burning. Transfer the chocolate mixture to a quarter sheet pan that's lined with parchment paper and spread it out evenly. Sprinkle it with flaky sea salt. This part is totally optional, but if you know me, then you know I love a sweet and salty snack. Transfer the tray to the freezer to set. Once the chocolate is set, break it into pieces. Make sure to store in a cool, dry place, but if you didn't temper it, then you may want to store it in the fridge to prevent the chocolate from sweating. You can also freeze this as well. If you want more easy dessert recipes like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join me next time in the kitchen.